How to check transaction history in Amazon Pay. If you want to check your transaction history in Amazon Pay, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all open up your browser and go to Amazon Pay website, which is pay.amazon.com. Once you go to pay.amazon.com, this is the interface that you should be able to see right here. And once you're here, you have to first of all sign into your Amazon Pay account. Click on the sign in button that you can see from the very top right hand side of the screen. And over here, if you are a merchant, you can select to sign into the Seller Central website. If you are a shopper, you can sign in to check your Amazon Pay orders. So click on the I'm a shopper option right here. And once done, you should be able to see all of your Amazon Pay's transaction activity. So if you go to Amazon orders, that will be your orders one. But for Amazon Pay, you'll find them here. You'll find all of your off Amazon account activity here. You can go to activity and you'll see all of your payment and history. You can also check according to a certain date and so on. This way you'll be able to check your transaction history on Amazon Pay. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in our next video.